In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gallery in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user, creating galleries can really help you organize and visualize your projects more creatively. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set up your very own gallery from scratch. First things first, open up Notion on your preferred device. You can do this on your computer or your mobile device, but desktops or laptops tend to provide a more convenient, expanded view. Once you're in Notion, you'll want to locate your database, or choose a blank section where you'd like the gallery to appear. To get started on your gallery, simply type in the /key. Notion has this really intuitive shortcut system, and typing a / brings up a variety of options. As you type Gallery, you will see a list of options popping up. Select Gallery View from the drop-down list. This will automatically create a basic gallery template for you to work with. With your new gallery view set up, you'll want to add content. Click on the New Page option within your gallery. This will allow you to start adding individual pieces of content or items that will appear as cards in your gallery. Each card can convey different pieces of information, images, or links, depending on what you need. Next, you'll want to give your new gallery page a name. Think of something that encapsulates the theme or purpose of your gallery. Typing in the name here ensures that your gallery is appropriately labeled and easy to identify at a glance. Now, let's make your gallery visually appealing by adding images. Notion allows you to upload images directly to your gallery cards. You can either upload new photos from your computer or simply drag and drop images into the designated area on your card. This flexibility makes it easy to tailor your gallery to your specific needs. Once you're satisfied with the content and the general setup of your gallery, feel free to explore customization options. You can adjust the layout, card size, and more to better fit your style. You might also want to share your gallery with colleagues or friends, which can easily be done via Notion's sharing features. And that's it. You've now created a beautiful gallery in Notion. This not only helps organize your content, but also makes it visually engaging for anyone you share it with. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you are ready to create your own stunning galleries. Remember that practice makes perfect, and the best way to learn is by experimenting with different styles and settings. Enjoy exploring and happy organizing.